Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the exciting new update on Discord that allows you to set a custom status on your PC. Whether you want to show off your current vibe or let friends know what you're up to, customizing your status is a fun way to express yourself. Let's get started. First, open Discord on your PC. Once you're logged in, take a look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture. Now, it's time to click on the gear icon next to it. This icon will take you to the user settings. Next, in the settings menu, find and click on My Account. Here's where you can see all your account information and preferences. But for customizing your status, we need to go a little further. So let's click on Edit User Profile. Now in the profile settings, you'll see the option to Add Status. Click on it, and a text box will appear, allowing you to write your custom status. This is where you can get creative. Want to say you're playing a game, studying, or just grabbing a snack? Write whatever you like. You can also decide when this status clears automatically. You can set it to clear in a few hours, at the end of the day, or even choose Don't Clear if you want it to stay until you remove it yourself. Finally, don't forget to click on Save once you're satisfied with your custom status. That's it. You've successfully set a custom status on Discord. Now you can let your friends know what you're up to in a fun and personalized way. Enjoy customizing.